buenos dias. We are looking at how to pronounce this common expression in Spanish, and we'll be looking at how to say more confusing vocabulary. So how do you say it? Vámonos. You have an accent on the first A there, meaning the stress is on that syllable. Vámonos. V is pronounced like a B. So this means, well, let's go, let's get out of here. It's really what it means. Vamos would be more like, let's go. Vámonos is really like, okay, we really, let's go, get out of here. It's what it means, really. Vámonos. It's vamos with a nos, so it's like you stress on the fact that we kind of need to go more than if you say vamos. Vamos, it's just like, oh, okay, let's go. Vámonos is like, yeah, let's really go, get out of here, is what I mean. Do you get it? Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate the support. More videos for you here to learn more. And yeah, vámonos can be translated as hurry up as well, if you wish.